Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna be talking about the latest watch from Huawei, which is Huawei Watch Buds. As usual, Huawei guys keep on impressing us. This watch, one of the unique and amazing watches from Huawei, which it comes with three buds inside the watch itself, and it comes also with very high-tech material, long life battery, and also all the health management with the workout modes. In deep details, we'll be talking about this feature, so stay tuned. So if we'll be talking about the watch dimension and weights also, so it comes with very light body and also very high-tech material. So the watch comes with the weight of 66.5 gram. So this weights without the strap. So the case only it weighs 66.5 gram. And if we will talk about the free buds itself, each one it weighs 4 grams only, so it's very lightweight. If you will keep it in your ears for a long time, it will not irritate you. Plus, also it has very good features. We'll be talking about it now. So, also, guys, if we talk about the watch screen, so the screen here it comes with AMOLED screen, which is 1.43 inches. So the screen having very high resolution, which is 466 by 466, and it has 326 pixel per inch. So in terms of colors and also the sharpness, so the screen it comes with very good resolution, which will help you to read your messages and also enjoy the colorful display here, which is AMOLED. And the watch case here it made of stainless steel, so the watch guys it feels so light, and also it comes with a high-tech material. Plus the backside here it made of ceramic. So the ceramic here guys is skin friendly, so if you will wear the watch for a long time, this ceramic will not get overheated. Plus also the front glass, which is 3D glass. For sure, we know that the previous generation from Huawei watch is the Watch GT3 Pro, which it came with sapphire glass, but here the front glass is 3D glass. Plus, also it came with leather strap. Unfortunately, it comes only with one design, which is this one. Unlike GT3 Pro, which comes with titanium strap. But still, you can change the strap here. Even you can add the titanium strap to this watch, and the straps available in the market right now, so you can use the 22L strap with this watch. So if we'll talk about the watch features, so as we know, all Huawei watch comes with the same watch interface or the same software. They are using the Harmony OS on their watches. So the watch here it comes with 100 workout mode. So as you can see, guys, the workout modes here, you can have course and plans, outdoor running, outdoor walking, indoor walking, and cycling. So all of this workout. Plus, also you can add more. For example, if you want to add more workout, you can just go for customize and press plus. So you can add any of this workout to your watch as you wish. Plus, also it has here all the health management, such as the SpO2. So the watch can check your oxygen level in your blood, and it gives you the accurate details. Plus, also it has here the heart rate. So the watch can check your heart rate in during the whole day or 24 hours. Plus, also it has the sleeping quality. So if you will wear the watch when you are sleeping, so the watch here will detect, or it will tell you how many hours you slept, and if it was like deep sleeping or light sleeping. Plus, also it will tell you how many times you open your eyes when you are sleeping, and if it was enough sleeping or less, and it will give you some advices in order to have better sleeping quality. So what about the voice calling? Does the watch support the calling? The watch it support, it can receive notifications and calls as well, but the thing here, the watch itself, it doesn't come with mic and speaker. So in order to answer the calls, you need to pick up the free buds itself and take the call, because the watch doesn't have mic and speaker, as we can see. And if we talk about the buds itself, so the buds, guys, it comes as we mentioned with 4 grams only. It's very lightweight, very tiny, very small. As you can see, how comparing to my finger, it's very small, guys. And by the way, it fits in your ears in very comfortable way. And even if you are doing workout or jumping, so the buds will not fall from your ears. It will stay in your ears for even if you are doing hard workout. Plus, also the buds itself, it has active noise cancellation, so you can use it when you are in a noisy area. So the noise cancellation here works amazing. I tried by myself, and the noise cancellation here, guys, is amazing. Plus, also the mic quality is very good. So if you are doing you are making phone calls, so the mic here, it gives you very good results. So plus also it has AI call noise cancellation. So if you are in noisy area and you have call, so the mic here will pick up only your voice, plus it will deliver your voice in very clear way. Plus also it has a touch sensor. So when you are wearing the watch, you can simply tap on your ears, not on the buds itself. So you can pause the song, or you can answer the call. Plus also you can activate the noise cancellation and deactivate the noise cancellation as well. And if we'll talk about the battery life here, so the entire device, it lasts up to 3 days. So the watch and the FreeBuds together, it can last up to 3 days. But if we will use the FreeBuds or the earbuds, so the earbuds, it lasts up to 4 hours in music playback. So if you use it for music playback, the FreeBuds, it lasts up to 4 hours with the noise cancellation off, and it can support up to 2.5 hours when the noise cancellation is off as well. And it lasts up to 3 hours of music playback when the noise cancellation is on, or 2 hours of calls when the noise cancellation is on. So the battery life, comparing the features which we have it in the watch, is not bad. It lasts for 3 days, the watch, and maximum 4 hours for the FreeBuds. And regarding the watch faces, so as you can see here, you can control the music from the watch face, and even you can control the noise cancellation, but you need to wear the earbuds. Plus also it will show how many percentage that FreeBuds has, like the right and the left as well. And the earbuds itself, guys, it's magnetic and it will not fall down. It's very sticky to the watch, so even if you will shake it, as you can see, so it will not fall down. So the total experience with Huawei watch buds, from my opinion, I see it's amazing. Plus also instead of having FreeBuds in your pocket and the watch in your wrist, so you have two in one. You don't need to worry about your FreeBuds. Sometimes you forget it at home, so simply when you are wearing the watch, you have your FreeBuds as well. The price here in UAE is 1,799 dirhams. So I see the price comparing to the features which we have it like two in one. It's affordable price, and also a good price for two devices together. So that's it for our video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.